Lifestylers! We're here in our kitchen video that I said the first time that I will cook, in my air fryer. I'm going to vlog it, isn't it? So this is it now. So I'm wearing my apron. I've marinated our meat already. And let me just show you then. Keep watching! So here we go, Lifestylers. So this is my air fryer. And as you can see, it's a 2.2 liters air fryer. You could see. So I marinated. This is lamb. That is pork, beef, and pork. So it's marinated. So I'm going to put it in the air fryer. Let's see how long. This is my first time, so let's check it out. Tower air fryer, 2.2 liters. So let's see, steak. So it 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah. 180 temperature for 10 to 15 minutes. So let's do it then. Okay, keep watching. It's in now. So we're going to put the temperature to 180, 120, 200. So it's about there. Yeah. And then we'll put the timer to 10 to 15 minutes. So let's put it about here. Yeah. So the green light is on, so meaning we are cooking and it will be warm. So let's watch out then. Let's watch out. Lifestyler, if you could only smell the smell in my kitchen. It's really nice. It's delicious. I'm already hungry. So let's see what will be the result in a bit. Okay, keep watching. Okay, Lifestylers, it's cooked now. Look at. Ooh, wow. But I think we still need to turn it over to get the crispiness that I am looking for. Okay, so let's. Turn the meat on the other side so that it will be properly cooked. So we'll put it the same time. Yeah. Okay. We set it again to 15 minutes. So set on 15 minutes. And same temperature, 180, and it's on again. So we'll wait again for another 15 minutes. So in total, we are cooking half an hour really. Yeah, half an hour in an air fryer to get the result that you want. So in total,